This review is of Eat Smart Chili Lime Crunch Chopped Salad Kit, and it's been triple washed. Great. I hope it was washed after they put it in the chlorine water or whatever it is they do to sterilize. Okay, nutrition facts and ingredients. Alright, I'm going to put this together and we're going to enjoy it, or at least I am. Hold on. Now this does contain eggs, milk, and mustard, so I would assume that aside from the cheese, which I'm not going to be using, this has got milk in this salad dressing, or at least eggs. And here we have some dried corn and little chips. So let's go ahead and put this together. I still have a bit left over for a second bowl, if I'm still interested. I'll take half of this. And then I'll take half of the salad dressing and drizzle that on top. There we go. That should be enough. It has a mild southwestern flavor to it. Not spicy though. So there it is right there. Let's mix this up a little bit. I'm not sure if I got enough salad dressing in this. I think I'm going to need to add a little bit more. Or I should have gotten a bigger bowl, so I could have done it all at once. So I'm not sure, but I suspect. Let's see, does it have any information here? Hold on. Let me see what's in the dressing. It is ranch dressing. So there's the southwestern taste is really just cumin, and it does have, since it's ranch, it does have milk in it. Therefore, I'm going to be rating my lactase to protect myself from more gas and diarrhea, which I hate. Oops, I just dropped some. I hate that too. Put that in the garbage, and let's give this a try. Yeah, it's a nice flavor. Although the corn is kind of dry, that whole thing of the corn and the chips and the sauce, it all goes together very nicely to give you kind of a southwestern taste. Yeah. Very tasty. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.